Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to open the back cover in the Samsung A10. Firstly, get off of the SIM card placement and insert the plastic tool here and just slide around on the phone by this. It's very easily. And that's it. As you see, we are uninstall the back cover here, and after that you can easily change the battery, flags, and the motherboard, camera, or the speakers and microphone by here. You can watch how to do this in my others video. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.